up, YouTube? D4G here. What up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey, y'all know what today is, man. It's First Impression Friday. I got a package in the mail from Fragrance by CA. Y'all know what it is, man. First Impression Friday. Let's get into it. Shout out to all my new subscribers out there. Welcome. If you're new, over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you, man. So y'all know what's up, man. First Impression Friday. Package in the mail from our good folks at Fragrance by CA. I think I ordered this one not too long ago. It wasn't part of the Black Friday deal, nothing like that, but nice little gift. This was a sale that they had around that time, and I had to jump on top of this one. Now, if y'all do remember from my Galleria, my Dallas Galleria vlog that I did, I talked a little bit about just being more comfortable with yourself, having more confidence in yourself, things like that. While I was there at the mall with Jaden, we saw a fragrance and we sampled it. It was a dope pickup, man. This is a good one. So the fragrance I'm talking about today that I'm bringing y'all is gonna be from the house of Salvatore Ferragamo. We are talking about Ferragamo Intense Leather. Dope box, man. Very nice box. I like how I don't know why, it's something about red boxes, like all red anything is just so dope to me. But let's open it up and see what we got in here, because I definitely forgot what all it comes with. I know shower gel. Oh, okay, so this is a three-piece box set. So this one was, I think, 45 or 46 bucks for the gift set. You get some shower gel, you also get the 100 ml, and a nice decant. And you get a nice decant with it. This is not glass, this is so nice. Okay. With y'all gift sets, do y'all keep the samples in the boxes or do y'all put them in like a sample location? Just curious. We really want to go ahead and get into the juice of this, because this is some great juice. Bottle right here, very nice bottle. Sleek, modern look to it, very designer-esque. You know how designers try to make everything all basic, try to have like that European look to it. But let's see what this hitting on, man. I want to give y'all a great first impression on this one, because this one really stood out to me when I was at the mall. I wonder, does this move? Okay, this doesn't move. So this did stand out when we was at the mall, so that's why I had to get this one. I had to go ahead and get it. And surprise, ooh, pressurized atomizer too. Whoo, watch this one more time. Whoo, and bro, that shit smells good. Damn, I smell that bit. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Let's talk about this real quick. Hold on. Fresh and citrus. Those are the first two things you pick up. You pick up freshness, you pick up a citrus. Now it does have a earthy tone in the background. And that earthy tone, I really can't tell. I'm gonna guess that that's like an early hints of the leather, because it says intense leather. So I'm guessing that maybe that's what it is. But it does have a, nah, that's leather. That's leather. That's leather. So the citrus could be a bergamot. It's probably working on like a leather bergamot combo. But I'm not understanding where the freshness is coming at, because this is definitely a fresh fragrance. Yeah, man, I don't know, man. Maybe it's not bergamot, because the more I'm sitting here with it, the more it's smelling like it has like an orange side, more so than a citrus. I mean, more so than a lemon or zest side, I guess you could say. It's definitely more on the orange side of things than the bergamot. But you do have a nice leather in here as well. I'm picking up a little bit of spices, but nothing heavy. Almost like a pink pepper type spice, not the black pepper, and nothing spicy along the lines of cinnamon. It's not that soft, but it's not heavy like a black pepper either. I think it might be like a pink pepper type of smell. This is nice, man. This is very nice, very uplifting. And this one smells like it'll be one that you'll be able to do almost year round. Or I would like to say basically year round. You probably don't want to do it at high heat situations, so summer day, you probably wouldn't want to do it there, but at nighttime, this will be a great nighttime scent too. Day or night, this will probably be better off during the day during those colder months though. But this is a nice gentleman's fragrance. Let me get the note breakdown real quick and we'll see what we have in here. All right, so I got the notes right here. It's saying up top we got mandarin orange, pink pepper, clary sage. In the mid we have red apple, iris, and lily of the valley. I am not getting no iris. When you smell it, you don't pick up too much of the iris note. You get more so the citrus, the leather. It does have an uplifting quality about it, a brightness about it, but I didn't think iris when I initially smelled it. That did not come to my mind. And then in the base we have leather, earthy notes, musk, as well as oak moss. So yeah, not a bad fragrance, man. This isn't a bad lineup right here. I like this. I'm rocking with this. I will have a link in the description for anybody that wants to check this out. I think they still might have this gift set on sale for anybody who does possibly want to check this one out. But for 46 bucks, you get the 100 ml. You also get a decant travel spray, as well as some shampoo. Shit, this looks like a good pickup to me. I'm happy with this. This is gonna go nice on the wall with the other designers. This is personally, man, this could be pulled off as a signature scent. This has the qualities to be something that somebody would have as a signature scent, especially if they don't have too many fragrances. They're just looking for something that they can wear that's not too expensive, that won't break the bank when they do run out. Especially if you're one of those people that only want to have like a couple of fragrances, like maybe 5 or something like that, less than 10 for sure. Yeah, this is one that I could see being one of those like everyday type of sprays. Office safe, errands, casual. I don't know about date night, man. It has a masculine appeal to it that would come off appealing to ladies, that I can see coming appealing to ladies, but as an overall complete seduction factor, like the Spice Bomb Extreme, Mercedes-Benz Club Black, Profumo, Profondo type of vibes, it's not there as far as the seduction goes, but all other aspects of the fragrance, this is there. I'm happy with this pickup. I am happy with this pickup, man. This is dope, man. I like this. Again, link will be in the description for anybody that wants to check this out, but you already know what it is, man. Winner, chicken, fucking dinner. We in that bitch. But again, shout out to Fragrance by CA for shipping over the box very fast. Like, this got here pretty good time, and so right in time for First Impression Friday. So that's good there. Now your boy gotta try to figure out a spot to put this on the wall somewhere, but I might move one of those English laundry boxes out the way because this is more important. But with all that being said, man, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out. Greatness gang.